How to design sliders that improve website engagement. Website engagement depends heavily on first impressions. Sliders created with Slider Revolution offer a fantastic opportunity to catch users' attention. But design is key. Use bold headlines, contrasting colors, and animated elements that guide the viewer's eye. Structure each slide like a mini landing page. Focus on one clear message per slide, whether it's a benefit, product, or call to action. Avoid clutter. Clean design makes your message more memorable. Include a strong call to action button on each slide. Use power words like explore, get started, or learn more. Animate these elements to draw attention without overwhelming. Time your slide transitions properly. Too fast and users won't catch the message. Too slow and they might get bored. Usually 5-8 seconds per slide works best. Engagement also means interaction. Use clickable buttons, hover animations, or sliders that pause on mouse over. All of this becomes incredibly easy with Slider Revolution's drag and drop tools. Want ready-made templates built for engagement? Click the link in the description. Lastly, test different designs using A/B split testing tools. What works for one audience may not work for another. Keep improving and iterating. When done right, your slider isn't just visual fluff. It becomes a core part of your conversion strategy. Start designing smarter and keep users coming back for more.